Hi, I'm Joachim from A.Q.A. In this video I'm going to show you a short description of our disposable microfiber mop. And I will switch to our other camera so you can see better what it looks like. So it's 100% polyester microfiber. The length of this one is 60 centimeters. And it attaches to the Velcro stripes on the mop holder, just like that. So you just put the mop on the floor and you just put the mop holder over, and it sticks perfectly fine without that you have to use an adapter or anything like. So there are really big advantages of this mop. You can save a lot of time and money by using this system. You don't have to spend so much time staying near the washing machines and having logistical problems, as well as the result gets really good since you can use a clean mop for every room. So please try this mop if you haven't done before. So see you soon again.